welcome back. We'll make this brief. I'm Dominique, and if you like me, subscribe to this channel, and if you don't like me, well, haha, you're already watching. So on Friday, I received a package that I was waiting for since I ordered it on Cinco de Mayo, and that would be KYLIE Cosmetics, and I have bought a couple new things that I've never tried. I think I only picked up a couple things because I'm broke. But just a tip, if you buy from her site, anything over $40 is free shipping. So that's like, if you buy a lip kit, it's like 20 something bucks. It's really expensive. Then you pay shipping and then it's over $40. So might as well buy two and have free shipping. But she always has a deal on Cinco de Mayo. I did it last year and ordered so much stuff. This year, I just decided to get a new lip kit, a new velvet, and I got a highlighter. So I'm just gonna get into this. I haven't even opened the package to see the little packaging inside. I have been waiting for this video. Oh, there's an invoice. Hello. The names of the things that I got was Party Girl, which is a velvet, High Maintenance, which is a lip kit, and Tahiti Ultra Glow highlighter. Of course, it comes with this every single time. She has something written on it. I don't know where to begin. Probably with the one that's not gonna stick to my face. Okay, so this is a velvet and this is Party Girl. I don't know if you can read that, but it is Party Girl. We're gonna try her. So this comes with the lip liner and it comes with, of course, the tube. Now this one is not mattifying. It will not stay dry on your lips. I'm kind of too lazy to do the lip liner right now because I have another one to try on and I'm not professional enough to wipe it off and make the other one look like it was on brand new lips. It's just not gonna happen. So we're gonna try this on just the way it is. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, the color is really cool, but I definitely gotta layer it up. Man, KYLIE. Wow, yeah, this actually, okay. Yeah, do you see the issue here, how you have to layer it up? It's matte but doesn't dry. So it moves, obviously, because it's a velvet, but I'm very disappointed with how not solid it is. I mean, from afar, it's great, and I'm sure in pictures it would look undeniable. But just a quick little this, you have to pay attention to what you're doing, and that bothers me because like I want to put it on and go. This velvet is like paint trying to dry. Honestly, it's like it's trying. But I do love the color. I'll still probably wear it because, you know, I bought it, but oh well. So wiping off the velvets, wipe off fine, just a little bit of staining. Man, this is slightly disappointing. Like, it's a great color. I love it, but well, I got most of that off. This next one that I have is a lip kit, and it is called High Maintenance. Alright, so this bubby comes with also a lip liner that I won't be using right now. The lip liner does make all the difference, but I should be able to wear lipstick without lip liner without a problem. I'm just doing this for the average people who just want to put on lipstick, not have a glow up every time they want a different lip color. Wait. Okay, I like this. We're doing better, KYLIE. We are. Yes. Yep. Not with this shirt, but I love this color. This is very close to Coco K, which is also an amazing color. It's drying really well. Doesn't look streaky. This is pretty fabulous for just a little bit of an apply real quick. It is very pink. Let's see if I can get a different lighting. So this one I actually truly like, but last but not least, this one's in a pot, and I guess it's called an Ultra Glow. We are going to see how ultra this glow is. I'm nervous to take the plastic off. So this is like a pink highlighter. Oh my god. I don't have a single brush down here, but I'm going to use my finger. Oh. Oh! No. Okay, yeah, I need a brush. Hold on. I'm actually using a KYLIE brush for this. So, holy macaroni. I really did a number with my finger, but wait, how do I show this even better? Oh, I just got it on the table. Wow, wow, wow. Did you want to get highlighted? That is beautiful. This one that I swipe my fingers with is begging to be helped. With actual light, this is going to be blinding because in my crap light with barely any sun in here, I mean, you can see it on camera. It's just my phone. So that's proving a point that you can see it even in the dark. Let's put some on my nose and see what happens. Okay, so my review on her Ultra Glows is A+. This has changed my routine for the rest of my life. I'm just gonna start wearing a full face of highlighter. That's it. That's it. Well, thank you for opening my package with me. Thank you, KYLIE, for not fully disappointing me, but yeah, that party girl one was... Also, I'm going out right now and I'm still wearing this lipstick because it is fabulous.